Hello and welcome back to Luxo-Life. We've heard countless businesses and YouTube channels sounding the alarm about AI and how it's going to completely disrupt everything. Well, they're not entirely wrong, but they're also not entirely right. You see, there are three crucial components you need to grasp to stay ahead of the game when it comes to AI. First and foremost, let's delve into the AI revolution. Then we'll explore how it's poised to impact the real world. And finally, we'll uncover the secrets to monetizing AI effectively. Now, if we take a trip down memory lane, we'll realize that every major turning point in history has built upon what already existed. Take the plow, for example. It made farming easier, but it didn't revolutionize the core principles of farming itself. Similarly, the printing press made information more accessible, leading to significant changes, yet it didn't alter the information itself. Even the internet, in its essence, merely provided a means for brick-and-mortar businesses to expand their reach beyond physical boundaries. But here's the game changer: AI is different. For the first time ever, AI has commercialized a skill that was typically exclusive to humans: the ability to perform tasks proficiently. Most people fail to realize that AI has been around for quite some time. However, it's only recently, or more accurately, since November 30th, 2022, that we've started hearing so much about it. The democratization of AI, thanks to tools like ChatGPT, has played a significant role in bringing it to the forefront. This monumental shift means that now, anyone can leverage AI to their advantage or disadvantage, depending on their skill level and ability to navigate its new landscape. ChatGPT, for instance, possesses an impressive repertoire of capabilities, capable of tackling almost any task. But here's the catch: AI's progress is advancing at an exponential rate. You see, in the world of tech, there's Moore's Law, which states that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles every 2 years, thereby exponentially boosting computing power. Pair that growth curve with AI models that can learn autonomously, and the possibilities become virtually boundless. However, despite all its potential, the biggest limitation for ChatGPT currently lies not in the technology or learning models themselves, but in our ability to ask the right questions. In other words, we are the primary bottleneck at the moment. Now let's address another significant question: how will AI be governed? The matter of AI governance carries immense importance, considering the enormous opportunities and challenges it presents. Prominent leaders worldwide have long warned of AI's dangers, even with the CEO of OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, stating that some robots will kill some humans. So, let's gain a deeper understanding of what AI is, where it comes from, and how it's going to shape our future. Now let's shift our focus to real-world applications. It's crucial to differentiate between short-term effects and long-term implications, because truth be told, we can't predict where AI will be in 10 years. Will it pose a threat to humanity or will it not? Speculating about such matters isn't my cup of tea, especially when people envision a future with flying cars and brain implants by 2035. Such predictions are incredibly challenging to make. Instead, we prefer analyzing the short-term future. So let's address the burning question: will everything crash and burn? The answer is no, but it's undeniable that some individuals will be replaced by AI. However, there are actions you can take to ensure you don't become obsolete or replaced. In fact, if you know how to harness the power of AI effectively, you have a golden opportunity to increase your value like never before. In just a few moments, we'll uncover strategies to make that a reality. But first, let's ponder an important question: who will bear the brunt of AI's disruption? Now here's the interesting part. A few years back, everyone assumed that physical labor would be first casualties once robots and AI became mainstream. Then it was predicted that white-collar jobs would follow suit, and eventually even the creative industry would succumb to AI's dominance. But guess what? The order of disruption has been completely flipped on its head. What seemed unimaginable before is now unfolding right before our eyes. AI is actually outperforming humans in areas once believed to be the epitome of human creativity. Just a few months ago, an AI won a fine arts competition against human competitors, and now we're witnessing a surge of AI companies attempting to replicate the work of doctors and lawyers. It may take some time, but eventually, they'll probably succeed. Think about it for a moment. Would you trust an AI doctor who has analyzed millions of cases, patient records, and has access to all medical literature? Or would you prefer to rely on a doctor who graduated ages ago when the medical industry was a completely different landscape? If AI can diagnose our ailments, it can also understand what truly makes us tick. We're already addicted to simple algorithms on TikTok. Now imagine a future where AI tailors everything you see, not just for you, but specifically to your liking. Theoretically, AI could create the perfect show, the perfect ad, the perfect game, everything personalized to really win. But what does this mean for the rest of the workforce? Let's not sugarcoat it. Many people will lose their jobs and many will be replaced. However, the reality is that this was bound to happen anyway. Just take a look around. Mass layoffs have been occurring, especially in tech companies where someone like Elon Musk walks into headquarters one day and realizes that half the workforce isn't contributing much. Trimming the fat was inevitable, but AI has accelerated the process and rendered even more positions obsolete. Whether you're an employee or an entrepreneur, the key to avoiding getting left behind is your adaptability. We witnessed a similar phenomenon between 2005 and 2010 when it came to people's ability to adapt to the internet and social media. Numerous jobs simply became redundant. Now you have two choices. You can either sit back and watch AI take over your role, or you can leverage AI to enhance your value. But what exactly do we mean by that? With AI, you have a wealth of knowledge and skills right at your fingertips. Just as AI can potentially replace your job, you can also utilize it to improve your performance within your job. So with all that being said, one burning question remains. How can you harness the power of AI to your advantage and increase your earning potential? You know, whenever one door closes due to technological advancements, another one opens. But here's the catch, these opportunities don't last forever. That's why it's crucial to seize them while they're still available. Now, when we talk about integrating AI into your business, we're really talking about leverage. Leverage is the ability to increase your output without exerting additional effort. And here's the mind-blowing part about AI. It's like a newfound source of unlimited leverage. In the past, you'd have to hire someone to achieve that level of leverage. But here's the incredible thing. Now anyone can access that same leverage. So, let's walk through 3 ways we can use AI to boost our income. First off, let's talk about agency work. If we run an agency, AI can be a total game changer for various communication tasks. Imagine spending 2 hours each day writing emails. Well, with AI, those emails can be generated for us, and we just need to give them the final approval. Boom! You've just reclaimed a significant chunk of our time, which adds up to dozens of hours saved every month. And guess what? We can invest those extra hours in working on our business, not just in it. This is just scratching the surface of what AI can do. The real beauty here is that AI empowers us to focus on the strategic aspects of our business, something that previously only business owners with employees could handle. But wait, there's more. Let's dive even deeper. Imagine we run a paid traffic agency. Thanks to tools like Jasper, we can now have AI generate our ad copy, and all we have to do is test and validate. But guess what? AI's utility doesn't stop at writing tasks. We now have software solutions that can create product photos and any other images we need, making the whole process streamlined and efficient. What used to require an entire team and days of work can now be accomplished in just a few hours. Now, some might worry about job loss, but fear not. People will never become completely obsolete because there will be always a need for that final human touch, that personal sign-off. Besides that, they can adopt, pivot, and explore new domains in this AI-powered era. Just like companies leverage AI to cut costs, we can leverage AI in our own business to do more. And that leads us to the exciting realm of content creation. If we're content creators or copywriters, AI opens the floodgates to an infinite number of ideas. No more staring at a blank page in frustration. We all have the tools to kickstart our creative process. Let's say we're writers. AI can assist us in outlining the structure and framework, and then we simply fill in the details. This means that if we used to handle only 10 clients, now we can easily handle 20 with the extra push from AI. No more brainstorming marathons. We can just pick an idea and execute it. There's really no excuse to come up with fresh, innovative content. Our only limitation is our ability to ask the right questions and explore the possibilities AI presents. Now, you might be wondering why not everyone jumps on board with these tools if they're so accessible. Well, despite having newfound access to information and skills, humans are still humans. We tend to be lazy and comfortable. Even though the internet wasn't enough, now we have this powerful tool called AI that we can leverage to build businesses and make money. It can work hand in hand with our abilities. However, most people simply won't take advantage of it. They are too stuck in their ways, too unwilling to adapt. And that brings us to our third avenue for making money with AI. If you're a consultant or a coach, AI can become your most valuable ally in these roles. Just take Microsoft's latest edition, Copilot. It complements their suite of products and revolutionizes workflows. Let's say you have a client meeting. The AI transcribes notes for you, provides a summary of key points and action items. Need to create a presentation? This AI generates PowerPoint slides based on those action points customized to your client's branding. Excel analysis? No worries, the AI handles it. Tasks that used to take hours or even days can now be completed in a matter of minutes. The impact of this is immeasurable. And the best part is, more tools like these will become readily available. Now you might be wondering, where do you fit into the equation? Well, it places you into a position where fostering relationships becomes the most crucial aspect. When you think about it, top executives and successful business owners ultimately focus on making strategic decisions and nurturing connections. It's time for you to capitalize on your uniquely human qualities and leverage the newfound power AI has bestowed upon us. And there you have it. 3 powerful ways to leverage AI and increase our income. Whether we're running an agency, creating content, or working as consultants, AI has the potential to transform our businesses and propel us to new heights. The opportunities are right at our fingertips, waiting to be seized. Now here's our question for you. How will you harness the power of AI to take your business to the next level? Will you be one of the early adopters who embrace AI and thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape? Or will you be left behind watching others leverage this game-changing technology? The choice is yours, but we encourage you to take action. Start exploring the AI tools and resources available to us. Let's experiment, innovate, and find ways to seamlessly integrate AI into our business operations. The time is now to adapt and capitalize on this incredible opportunity. So make sure to subscribe to Luxo-Life for more insightful discussions on AI, business strategies, and the future of technology. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Now let's go out there and unlock the full potential of AI for our businesses. Together, let's embrace the future and create a Luxo-Life powered by AI.